Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Service Provider Advanced Routing Solutions 300-510. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Service Provider Advanced Routing Solutions is: what is BGP route dampening and how does it mitigate the impact of route instability in BGP networks? Your answer should be: BGP route dampening is a mechanism used to mitigate the impact of route instability caused by frequent route flapping in BGP networks. It involves assigning penalties to unstable routes based on their stability parameters such as the number of flaps and the decay interval. Routes with high penalties are temporarily suppressed, reducing the impact of route instability on routing convergence. Our next interview question is: what are the differences between BGP peer group and BGP templates, and how are they used in BGP configurations? Your answer should be: BGP peer groups and BGP templates are both used to simplify BGP configurations and apply consistent configuration parameters to multiple BGP neighbors. BGP peer groups allow multiple BGP neighbors to share common configuration parameters such as inbound and outbound policies and update intervals. BGP templates are predefined sets of configuration parameters that can be applied to multiple BGP neighbors, simplifying configuration management and ensuring consistency. Our next interview question is: how does BGP TTL security check protect against BGP session hijacking attacks, and how is it implemented in BGP deployments? Your answer should be: BGP TTL time to leave security check is mechanism used to protect against BGP session hijacking attacks by verifying the TTL value of incoming BGP packets. It ensures that BGP packets have a valid TTL value within a certain range, indicating that they are originating from nearby neighbors and not from remote attackers attempting to hijack the BGP session. BGP TTL security check is implemented by configuring TTL security check parameters on BGP neighbors. Our next interview question is: what are the differences between BGP route reflection and BGP confederations, and when are they used in BGP deployments? Your answer should be: BGP route reflection and BGP confederations are both techniques used to scale IBGP deployments within an autonomous system AS. BGP route reflection involves configuring certain routers as route reflectors to reflect BGP route updates to other routers within the same AS, reducing the number of required IBGP peerings. BGP confederations involve dividing the AS into smaller sub-ASs and using eBGP peerings between them to reduce the IBGP mesh size. Route reflection is simpler to implement but may lead to route reflection clusters, while confederations provide better isolation but require additional configuration. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.